So today we will have a training for our tab 4817. So this will be a standard BR project, no? And this is open for those people who still haven't passed their BR exams. Okay, so this is a very, very easy tab for you to work on. So first of all, always check the banner. So when you start working, always read the banner, guys. So wait. So all rules is always placed inside this banner. So if you get confused, wait, just read and try to understand what is placed inside the banner. Okay. So the rules are quite simple. So this is a standard building repair. Fix big errors, capture missing buildings. No need to merge residential. No need to be precise. Okay. So small errors can be allowed. Delete grounds. Ignore small. Again, ignore small errors. Ignore small buildings. Cut down houses based on reg. Retrieve neighboring files, neighboring buildings if necessary. Cut and group for big buildings. Capture bridge. So these are the rules. Okay. So after you read the rules and understand, check the task area. So I've seen people, even though that the missing building is outside of their task area, they still capture. For example, like this one, they still capture it like this, like so. So which is supposed to be wrong. Okay. Always check your task area. So this is your task area, guys, and everything this is inside of this box, and then inside of the green space or the green mask. So anything that is outside of the green mask, outside of your task, outside of your grid, should not be captured. So for example, like this one. So let's say this is a missing building. But since it is outside of your green mask, even though it is inside of your task area, you should not capture for this one. So if you try to capture this one, an error will pop up. For example, like this one. See? So if the error comes up, you need to delete the building. Okay? So I've seen people who still capture even though it is outside of their task area. So for buildings outside of your task area, you do not need to capture for those. Okay? So you can ignore this comment. Just focus on the rules you see on the project type or the banner. Okay? So for this fake water, I think we can delete this one. For the fake water, guys, okay? So there are other categories, no? So, hmm. For the fake water, if you see it's big enough to be I think for this big fake water, you can delete it so and then you can just submit. For the small ones, you can ignore, okay? So let's submit because there is no building on the task. So it's quite common to see tasks with no buildings, okay? So let's continue. Check the task area, okay? And also, guys, I forgot. So we have a what do you call this? Grid rules to follow. Okay? So everything that actually the picture is very straightforward. So everything that is touching your left area, your left and then your top area should not be captured. So for example, like this one. So let's imagine this is a building, okay? But it touches your left area, your left boundary, so we do not need to capture for this one. Same with the top area. Let's say let's imagine that there is a missing building here. Since it is touching your top area, your top grid, so this one should not be captured. Okay? So the same go but for the bottom, bottom and then your right area, if it touches, then you need to capture. Okay? So again, just follow the image. It's very straightforward. It's very easy for you to understand. Okay, so Alwar GRS, move to transportation tab. Okay, so let's continue. So follow the pattern, guys. Always check the pattern. Follow the S pattern every time you label. So again, small buildings you can ignore. Small water, you can ignore small water. So if you think this is a non-building, okay, if you think this might be I think this is a car, okay, a car or a van. So we can delete for them, okay. But for some reason you are not sure if this is a building or not, then you can just ignore for them. But if you are 100% sure that this is not a building, you are required to delete. So all non-buildings should be deleted, okay. So after this, I think this is good enough to submit. Guys, I suggest you do not spend too much time on one task. Okay, we do not need to be precise, we do not need to be accurate when labeling. As long that our label is good enough to submit, then just submit. Okay? So this is a perfect example of a grid rule. Okay, grid rules. So even though you can see the entire building, but it is touching the top area, our top grid, we do not need to capture for this one. Okay, same with this one. It touches our left area, our left grid. So we do not need to capture for this one. Okay? Even though a small part is touching, but still it is touching our left grid. So we can ignore for that for this building. So let's continue. Also this one. So it touches the top. Ignore. So actually the results of the AI are quite good. Is already good enough. Okay? So let's just delete these fake buildings. Same with this one, fake buildings. I think these are trailers. Okay? So we do not need to capture for those. You see? The results are quite good enough. This is wrong. So a ridge of a building should not be cut. So we need to merge for this one. Submit. See, I think I only edited one building. It took me like what? Less than a minute, 2 minutes, tops to finish a task. Okay? Let's continue. Grid rule, ignore. Grid rule. So this might be a building, this might be not. I'm not sure. This is an example of an ambiguous case. Ambiguous meaning you are not sure if it is a building or not. So for this one, you can just ignore. So let's continue. This one, I think non-building, delete. Same with this one, just delete. Not sure, ignore. Non-buildings. For this one, it covered by trees. There might be a building below the trees. Okay? So you can just ignore for them. Ground. Okay? Delete. Clear ground. And then you can just submit. Okay. See? I did not do any editing. Just deleting. Okay? So you do not need to spend too much time on this tab. So, grid rule. Ignore. Even the big building, see, this is a big building, so big buildings should be captured as multi-layer, cut and group. But the AI already captured it perfectly, see? So we do not need to edit for this one. Just a fake ground, delete. Ground, delete. Fake building. And this is, no, you can just ignore for that one. And this is good enough to submit. See, I did not do any editing. Just deleting. Okay? So, for small errors, for example, you can see a very small errors, many minuscule errors like this one. You can ignore for this. Okay? You can ignore small errors. We do not need to be precise on this tab. We just need to make sure there are no fake buildings, there are no big misses, and the big buildings are drawn as multi-layer. Okay? So, let me see if you have questions.
Sir, all clear.
Okay, so paano po guys, there was a meeting on the transpo tab. Okay, so I'm sorry, I am not the transpo tab is handled by Sir A. So this training is for newbies only. But wait, let me see. I think I've sent a link, a recorded training. Oh. This one. 7 to wait, let me see. 74732. Okay, so it's a different tab. So you can just try to communicate with your leaders to ask for a training video. I think there's a training video somewhere, no? I don't have time to look for it. I'm sorry. So to capture a bridge, okay. So later, let's see if we can try to get a bridge. If not, then I'll just make an example. So fake water, you can just delete for those. As long that it's big enough, um, for you to notice, okay? It's big enough for you to notice, you can just delete for those fake waters, okay? So grid rules, oh, I think this is a miss. So again, for miss buildings, you can capture. So guys, actually the fastest way to capture a missing building is to use letter E. Okay, so since normally, oh sorry. So normally buildings are shaped like squares, rectangles, parallel. So but for buildings such as this one, you can use F. Okay, but normally I just use E. It's faster that way. All forest categories, you can ignore for them. Just remember to, if you see a big fake water, you can delete. But for this one, small errors such as this one, you can just ignore for them. So as you can see, I did not do any editing. So one miss, delete fake water, and then this is good enough to submit. I suggest guys you use two IDs, okay? So you do not need to wait for the downloading. So small, ignore. So again, good enough to submit. See? Not sure if this is a fake building, you can ignore. No need to merge, okay? So if it's cut for some reason, you do not need to merge for that one. But let's say the error is this big. The error is big enough for you to notice. Then you need to fix. Okay? Again, remember you only need to fix for big errors. Out of grid, ignore. So again, submit. Small air, small water, such as those, you can just ignore for them. So no building. So take note, guys. Tasks that don't have buildings on them are still paid. Okay, so don't worry. No need to do any editing on the forest. Okay, so after this, since we don't, this is a dense area. Okay, this is a dense map. This is a very good example of a dense. Dense meaning there are lots of buildings on a task. Okay, so but actually, I don't think I will do any editing on this tab. Seeing the results of the AI it's already quite good. I just need to delete some fake buildings, okay? So, let's do this together. So, I believe this is a fake building. This is a, what do you call this? Trailer. So, same with this one. So, grid the rules on the top, ignore. Fake building. So, for this residential, even though that it is cut by the AI, actually, guys, our standard rules, we do not need to cut for residential buildings. But if the AI cut this like a multi-layer building, like a big building, you do not need to merge for this one. You can just ignore for this, okay? You can just let it go. I think big error, okay? So for this error, you need to fix. Just use repair tool Z, and then it is good enough. Delete. You can just ignore for this one. And this is good enough to submit. So guys, I only one editing like this one and few deletes. Okay, that's all I did. So I'm actually not quite sure why the tab is moving so slow. So actually the tab is quite easy. So if you want to fix for this one, so you can just use the repair tool, X, X or Z. And then this is good enough to submit. Sorry, I forgot to draw a bridge. Okay. So let's just make an example. So no bridge. So let's get another map. So no editing for this one, just submit. Okay, so let's imagine this is a bridge. Okay? So to capture a bridge, you just select the bridge category and then just capture normally like a building. Okay? So for example, this is a bridge. This area is a bridge. So let's just capture it as a bridge. And then that is good enough. That is good uh, to submit. Okay? Just capture the bridge like a building. So that's it. That's basically it. So a bridge is anything that is elevated. Okay? It is not touching the ground. So if you see anything that is elevated, have space below, it needs to be captured as a bridge. Okay? So that's how you capture a bridge. So this is good enough to submit. If you want to rest, switch to M. Okay? Again, for big buildings, should be captured as multi-layer. Okay? So, for some reason, if the AI captured this as one building, it should be drawn as multi-layer. Okay? So, just cut. Look for layers. I think we can cut this also. And then just merge. Sorry. Group, I mean. And this is good enough to submit. So, it took me what? 2 minutes to finish this task. So, again, the tab is quite easy, guys. So this tab was actually made for you, for the newbies to work on. Okay, so I suggest you finish, let's try to finish this BR tab first, and then after you can do your LC training. So, not water. Okay, so there's a comment. Fix buildings. So actually, this is good enough to submit. Grid rules. Again, submit. Okay, so question so far. Retrieve neighbors. Okay, that's a very good question. So how to retrieve your neighbor? Let's download. So there are certain tasks, especially on big buildings, that your task will look like this. Wait. Let me get your neighboring building will look like this. So you are required to retrieve the neighboring map so that you can draw the whole building. Guys, cutting a building like this is not allowed. Okay? It's not allowed. We need to capture the whole building. Like so. Uh, where's my example? Like this one. See? If you captured it based on your task area, you have missed a big part of the building. Okay? See? A big chunk of the building is missing below. So you are required to what do you call this, to retrieve the neighboring task. So how to retrieve? For example, we have a big missing building here. So just right click on the image files in the building below, right click and then retrieve your neighboring images. So it depends on the location. If it belongs on the right area, then select the right area. And then you can see the right area. Okay? If it is above, Right click and then retrieve the top upper area. Okay? So on, so forth. Okay guys, you understand how to retrieve your neighboring area? And why do we need to retrieve the neighboring task? Again, we cutting buildings guys is not allowed. Okay? So we are capturing actual buildings. So have you ever seen a building that is that looks like this? Cut in half. 'Di ba? Wala naman. There's none. So again, we are required to capture the whole building. So if the laborer captured it like this one, he have missed a big chunk of the building. Again, it is not allowed. Okay? So far guys, questions for our newbies. Okay, so let's recap. So for this tab, it is only open for those people still haven't passed their BR exams. For the newbies who passed after December 1st, okay? For our labelers who have passed their BR exams, I mean their LC exams,